Okay, so we'll take up with the different variety of examples possible in permutations orally, all the various situations which are possible. The next lecture, when I start with the questions, everything will be covered. So you must be able to answer me how to solve that part, and then systematically how to present it in the notebook. That we will see in the next lecture. We'll just understand the concepts right now. So different varieties which are possible. First we take up the questions based on numbers. Then we'll go with the letters. So with the numbers, what all kinds of question are possible? First we understand that. Suppose we take up 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if they ask you how many numbers can be formed using all the digits, how many numbers can be formed using all the digits, or they ask you how many digits are there?
5.
Or if they ask you how many 5-digit numbers can be formed, it means one and the same. Either they ask you how many total numbers can be formed using all the digits, or they ask you how many 5-digit numbers can be formed. Then total how many digits are there? 5. We have to arrange 5 digits in 5 places. This can be done in 5p5, which we discussed is 5 factorial, that is 120 ways. Remember one thing in this chapter, n is always greater than or equal to r. Always remember this, okay? N will be either greater than r, or like here it will be equal to r. Now if the same question they ask you how many 4-digit numbers can be formed, then 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to arrange the numbers only in 4 places. We have to arrange the number in only 4 places. Now 5 digits, but we have to arrange in 4 places. This can be done in 5p4 ways. Arrangement in 4 places of 5 digits. We discussed that last note. NP n minus 1 is also n factorial. 5p4 will also be 5 factorial, that is 120 ways. Means 120 numbers can be formed. Did you understand this?
Yes,
in this chapter, remember, if you have to arrange 5 things in 4 places, it can be done in how many ways?
120.
5p4 ways. Same way, if you have to arrange 4 things in 5 places, in how many ways can you do it?
0.
Same answer, 5p4. Whether you have to arrange 5 things in 4 places, or you have to arrange 4 things in 5 places, both can be done in 5p4 ways. As I discussed in the beginning right now, n is always greater than or equal to. So 4p5 is never possible. Whether you have to arrange 5 things in 4 places or 4 things in 5 places, for both of them, what is the calculation? 5p4. Is everyone of you clear with this portion?
4 things in 5 places, how can we?
Suppose the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to arrange in 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. You are arranging 4 numbers in 5 places. But that can also be done in 120 ways. So whether you have to arrange 5 things in 4 places, or you have to arrange 4 things in 5 places, both of that can be done in how many ways? 5p4 ways. Okay? Got it. 3-digit numbers. Using the 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to form 3-digit numbers. How can you do that? 5 ways.
3p5.
Are you listening carefully last 10 minutes what I am discussing? What, yes sir? You sit down. Sit down now. Whether we have to arrange 5 numbers in 3 places or 3 numbers in 5. Here 5 numbers we have to arrange now in how many places? 3 places. How many ways can it be done? 5p3. Now Shortcut. 3 means you multiply how many numbers? 3 numbers. So 5 into 4 into 60 different numbers can be. Have you attended what is going on? And 2-digit numbers.
20.
Then 2-digit numbers, that means 5 digits are to be arranged in 2 places. How can that be done? 5p2. 2 numbers product, 5 into 4, 20. 20 different numbers can be formed. Did you understand this portion, everyone?
Yes.
Now, we go with the option of 5-digit numbers. So first of all, how many 5-digit numbers can be formed? We have already done 120. Now if I ask you, how many numbers of them will be divisible by 5 or a multiple of 5? One more condition is there. Other than 5-digit numbers, one more condition is there, that is, the number should be divisible by or multiple of 5. Either the number should be divisible by 5 or it should be a multiple of 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your hand. When would any number using these 5 digits be a multiple of 5? When would any number with these 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, be a multiple of 5? Simran? When 5 is in the end? When the last number is 5? If the last number is 1, is it a multiple of 5? Like 21? No. But last number is 5, 25 is a multiple of 5. If the last number is 2, 3, 4, then also it's not a multiple of 5. When would the number be a multiple of 5? When the last number is 5. Now, one number is to be fixed in one place. 5 cannot come in any other place, because 5 comes in any other place, then at the end what will come is 1, 2, 3, 4, which will not be a multiple of 5. So with Fevicol you paste it at the last position. It cannot move anywhere else. 5 cannot move anywhere else. One number can be arranged in one place. In how many ways? Only one way is possible. 5 in the last place, only one way is possible. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Like we discussed, 5 numbers in 4 places. Sorry, 5 places. 5p5. 5 numbers in 4 places. 5p4. 5 numbers in 3 places. 5p3. 5 numbers in 2 places. 5p2. 1 number in 1 place. 1p1. Did everyone understand it? Now how many numbers remain?
4.
Only they are to be arranged in these 4 places. Remaining 4 numbers can be arranged in remaining 4 places in how many ways? 4p4. Throughout the chapter, remember, and whenever and word comes in interpretation, it means you multiply. Whenever or word comes in interpretation, you will add. So when I say that the number should be a multiple of 5 or divisible by 5, it means last number should be 5 and the other 4 numbers should be in other 4 places. And means you will multiply. And if in the interpretation or word comes, then you will add. Is everyone of you clear with this? And means multiply, or means plus. So 5 is to come only in the last place. One number, one place, how many ways it can be done? 1p1. And other 4 numbers should come in other 4 places. That can be done in how many ways? 4p4 ways. Now suppose same question. I say, which are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us say I include 0 also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many digits are there? 6. Now if I ask you the question, it's a multiple of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places are there. Raise your hand. Now what is the outcome possible that it's a multiple of 5? Up till here everyone is clear? Namrata? 0. 0 or 5. When will the number be a multiple of 5? When either the last number is 0 or the last number is 5. Even if it's 0, like 20, is it a multiple of 5 or not?
Yes.
And even if it's 5, like 25, is it a multiple of 5 or not?
Yes.
So now same question, if 0 is also there, then what are the permutations or arrangements possible that the number is a multiple of 5? Now raise your hand, how can you do this? Like one letter, one place I had done. 2p, 1. 2, I said to you whether you have to arrange 2 letters in one place or 1 letter in 2 places. For both of them it's 2p1. In how many ways can we arrange 2 digits in one place? 2p1 way. Did everyone understand this? Was not clear? Yes, ask me. Everyone is clear with this? 1 letter in 2 places or 2 digits in one place. The option is 2p. Now raise your hand. How many numbers remain? Raise your hand. How many numbers remain? Uday? 4 numbers, no 5. So now, finally, you'll write 0 or 5. Any one number only? 2 numbers are not going to sit at one place. Either 0 will be written or 5 will be written. If 0 is written, then 5 is left out. If 5 is written, then 0 is left out. So how many numbers will be left out? 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 are numbers left out, and out of 5 and 0 also one number will be left out. Raise your hand who did not understand why 5 numbers will be left out. And how many places are left out? 5. 5 numbers can be arranged in 5 places in how many ways? 5. Now this was like 24. 4p4, 4 factorial, 24. 1p1, 1 factorial, 1. 5p5, 5 factorial. 2p1 will be 2. 2p1 will be 2 factorial, which is 2 only. So 120 into 2, 240. Did everyone of you understand this? Anyone who is not clear with any of the points of failure? So now when we solve the next lecture, these questions will only come. You must be able to answer it to me. I am discussing all the possibilities which are there. Even those which are maybe not covered in your textbook but can come in exams. So everyone is clear up till here? Now let us take the same digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits are there? 6 digits. Raise your hand like I asked this first question. How many 6-digit numbers can be formed? Raise your hand. How can you find this 6-digit numbers? Hit. 6p6 is wrong. So now understand why is it wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Silence. If the number starts with 0, is it a 6-digit number?
No.
If I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is it a 6-digit number or 5?
5.
Here there was no 0. So 5 digits in 5 places, 5p5 is. Okay? But this is not possible, 6p6. Reason? If the number starts with 0, it is not a 6-digit number. So it should start with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not there. It should start with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Anyone who did not understand this? Now tell me, Riya, this can be done in how many ways? 5p? 5. Fatima? Ayush? Silence! Why? Ruturaj?
5p1.
Why?
Because there is 1 plus and 5 numbers.
Yes. What do people are doing? I hope you are attentive to what is going on. 5 numbers are to be arranged in one place. How can you do that? 5P1. One number in 5 places or 5 number in one place can be arranged in how many ways? 5P1. Did everyone understand this? Priya, how many numbers are left out? Silence everyone. How? How many numbers are left out? No number is left out. 0 is at least left out. Fatima, how many numbers are left out? Which 5? Ayushi? Only one number is left out, 0. Niyati?
5.
Why?
Because there is only one place and only out of
Yes, 5 are left out. Just now what did I explain you here? 0 comes, then 5 is left out, 5 comes, then 0 is left out. Will 5 numbers sit at one place? Any one number will only be there. If you place 1 over here, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0. 5 numbers are left out. If you place 2 over there, then 1, 3, 4, 5, 0 are left out. So any one number will come here, 4 will be left out and also 0 is left out. How many numbers are left out? 5. So now these 5 numbers can be arranged in 5 places in how many ways? 5P5. NP1? N. And NPN? N factorial. 5 into 120? 600. 600 numbers will be 6-digit numbers. They won't begin with 0. Did you understand this, everyone? Okay, now same question if I ask you, how many even digit numbers can be formed? Raise your hand. How will you do this? Using these 6 numbers, how many even digit numbers can be formed? How would you do that? Rachi? Silence! Yes. You all understand what is even?
Yes.
The last number should be even number. Which are the even numbers?
0.
So last number should be 0 or 2 or 4. So, silence. If the last number is 0 or 2 or 4, it will be an even digit number?
Yes.
Riya, how can this be done? Silence. Others, please don't prompt. Let everyone understand the concept. 3P. Did you understand why was this 2P1? Why? Did you understand why was this 5P1? So same thing I am repeating again and again. 3P1. 3 numbers in one place can be done in how many ways? 3P1. So now, Fatima, how many numbers are left out? Which 3? 1, 3, 5. 3 numbers are left out. Ayushi, how many numbers are left out?
5 numbers.
Why? Gaurav?
3 numbers.
Zaid? Yes? But how 5 numbers are left out? Yes. Just now I explained, any one number will only come in this place. So 2 numbers will remain. And 3 are already remaining, 1, 3 and 5. How many numbers will be left out? You remember it this way. Shh, be attentive. You remember it this way. Gaurav, be attentive. How many blanks are remaining? So 5 numbers are remaining. How many blanks are remaining? How many are remaining? So 4 numbers are remaining. Understood that? Sit down. So, how can we do this? 5p5. 5 factorial into 3. 120 into 3. 360. Yes, what happened, Khushi?
ये क्या है? गर्मी हो रही है.
No more disturbance, now silence everyone. Yes, complete silence now. Yes. But the condition is not that it should be a 6-digit number. Condition is that the number should be an even digit number. Even if it starts with 0, 1, 2, 5, 3 and then 4, it's an even digit number. So it's not a condition that question is over. Now the question is, what are the chances that it is even digit number? Did you understand this? Same way, odd digit number, the answer will remain same. Because then in last place, which numbers can come? 1, 3, 5. That can be done in 3p, 1 ways, and remaining 5 numbers, 5 blanks. So 5 numbers in 5 places. Everyone is clear with this? So all the points of numbers are over. Any confusion in that? All the variety of questions which are possible with numbers, I have done it over here. Got it, everyone? Now we take up with letters. Silence means chup raho. You understand English? Yes, be attentive now. Even with letters, how can it be done? First of all, today is which day? Wednesday. So, yes, today is now Wednesday. Now be attentive. If I ask you how many words can be formed, raise your hand, okay? How many words can be formed using all the letters of the word no? Wednesday we cannot take up because E is repeated. There is a different rule for that. So let us take up Thursday. There is no repetition in Thursday, right? Okay, Thursday is fine. There is no repetition in this. Now if I ask you, raise your hand. How many words can be formed using all the letters of the word Thursday? How will you do this? Raise your hand. Why? I thought many will raise and after numbers. Now this is a simple question I am asking you. How many words can be formed using all the letters of the word Thursday? Krupa? Correct. How many letters are there? T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, yes?
Meaningful नहीं होंगे ना?
Meaningful, it need not be meaningful. Just total how many words can be formed, that's it. You don't have to get the meaning in the dictionary, otherwise maybe only Thursday can be formed. But there will be no word like day thus. So, 8p8, 8 factorial, 40,320 words can be formed. Is everyone of you clear with this? Now, any confusion with this? No. Now there is a condition. How many words can be formed using these letters, but they should begin with T only? Now, we have done this in numbers. Raise your hand. They should begin with T only. Means you cannot have the word like YHURSDAT. They should begin with T only. Dhwani? 8p1. How? Means 8 letters will arrange in one place. And which one p1? So now, Digvijay,
1P1 and
7P1.
7.
Why 1P1?
7P starting.
Yes. First of all, T should be the first letter. Now, Dhwani, how many ways can you do this? 1P1, one letter can be arranged in one place in how many ways? 1P1. Paste T at the first place with Fevicol. It should not move anywhere else. Because all the words should begin with T. So 1P1 and remaining 7 in 7 places in 77 ways. Are you able to understand? So 1 factorial into 5040 words can be formed. Understood this, everyone? Now, I add one more condition. Begin with T and end with Y. Raise your hand now. How can you do this? Yes, understand this point properly because there are chances of making a mistake in this option. So listen carefully. Ruturaj,
1P1, 6P6, 1P1.
anyone else? So first of all, should I write T here and Y here? Yes. Now raise your hand. How can you do this? Anyone else? Decide.
1P1 into 6P6 into 1P1.
No. Anyone else?
वही तो मैं बोला सर वही होगा
Hit.
का वही है
This mistake should not be done. 1P1, 7P7, 6P6, 1P1 is correct. Means, understand this because this will happen in exams. Basically, we don't have to arrange 2 letters in 2 places because that will include 2 ways, TY and YT also, which will be wrong. It cannot start with Y and it cannot end with P. So T should come in one place. That can be done in 1P, one place. Y should come in one place. That can be done in 1P, one place. What is wrong here? 2P2 is wrong. If you do 2P2, I'll P2. Okay, that mistake should not be done. And remaining 6 letters, 6P6. Is everyone of you clear with this? So 1 factorial into 6 factorial into 1 factorial, 720 words are possible. Now raise your hand. What are vowels? Raise your hands, not your voice. Now suppose I ask you the question. In this word, which are the vowels? Okay, U and A are the only vowels. Now if I ask you, yes, if I ask you that vowels should come in even places. Even. E-V-E-L. Vowels should come in even places.
4P2.
Raise your hand. Vowels should come in even places. Near the
4P2.
which 4?
Second, 4th, 6th, 8th.
Are these even places?
Yes.
Second place, 4th place, 6th place, 8th place. And why 4P2?
Because there are only 2 letters.
Correct. I told you whether you have to arrange 2 things in 4 places or 4 things in 2 places. In how many ways you can do it? 4P2. So 2 letters can be arranged in 4 places in how many ways? 4P2. Did you understand this, everyone? Now, how many places and letters are remaining? How many places and letters are remaining? Raise your hand. First of all, how many places are remaining? Raise your hand. Raise. No, 6. Because if A and U is put here, then these 2 places are also remaining. A and U is not coming all the places. A and U, two letters will not visit all the places. So if you write A and U here, then two places will remain. So how many places will remain? 6. And how many letters will remain? 6. Other than A and U, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They can be arranged in 6p, 6p's. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Which point is not clear? 4p2 or 6p6? First of all, silence everyone. Suppose you arrange A and U here. How many places are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing is arranged in these two places. And vowels are coming in even places only. So out of 4 even places, only 2 even places will be consumed. 2 even places will be left out. And how many digits are left out? Letters are left out? 6. So in how many ways now you can arrange 6 letters in 6 places? 6p, 6 place. Did you understand this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure? Yes, raise your hand who is still not clear with this. All are clear with it? Now, so suppose in this question I ask you like how many total words can be formed using all the numbers, letters? 40,320. How many will begin with P? 5,040. How many will begin with T and end with Y? 700. How many words can be formed with vowel comes in even places?
8640.
4p2 will be 4 into 3. 2 numbers we have to multiply. 6 factorial. 12 into 720.
8640.
8640 words can be formed. Now if I ask you, listen carefully. Now if I ask you, how many new words can be formed? If I ask you, how many new words can be formed using all the letters of the word Thursday? New words. New words means Thursday is the word already given to you. So new words means other than Thursday. New words means other than Thursday. Then can I say your answer will be 40,390? Yes? 40,320 will include all the words, it will include Thursday also. And we have to find how many new words, means other than Thursday. So exclude Thursday from that. Remaining how many words are there? If you exclude one word Thursday from that, 40,390. Here, 5,039. How many new words will begin with T? 5,039. Okay, excluding Thursday. Here, 719 words, new words, will begin with T and end with Y. And 8,639. Okay? So whenever they ask you a question, how many new, in the final answer you have to do?
ये लास्ट वाले में तो थर्सडे बनता ही नहीं है तो माइनस
In last means it's a different kind of question. Here they will not ask you. Here they will not ask you only that question. They will ask you only in the first 3 options. So in the first 3 options kind of thing, okay, the word should be matching with the rules of Thursday. In last situation, A and U are as such not coming in the odd even places. They are coming in no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. So if they ask you the same question with odd places, then they can ask you. Same question if they ask you with odd places, then they can ask you how many new words can be formed. Then you will do -1 because they are in the odd places. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They both are odd places.
वर्ड में ऐसा नंबर ही नहीं
Why?
है और
If I ask you the same question, that vowels come in odd places, then which are the odd places? 1, 3, 5, 7. Your answer will remain same. 4p2, 2 letters in 4 places, into 6p6. And then here also vowels come in odd places. So here if they ask you new words, then you do -1.
ये नहीं पता
vowels come in now which places? Odd places. Which are the odd places? 1, 3, 5, 7. Two vowels can be arranged in 4 places in how many ways? Two vowels in 4 places. 4p, 2 ways. How many places will remain? 6. And how many digits will remain? They can be done in. So answer remains same for both. That was 8640. Now here they can ask you how many new words can be formed, because even in Thursday the vowels are in odd places. So here if they ask you how many new words can be formed, 8, 6, 3, 9. Did everyone understand it? Anyway, they'll ask you new words only in that question where it is possible. Otherwise they'll not ask you. But whenever they ask you new words, what will you do? Minus 1. Did everyone of you understand this? Now, suppose I take up with a question of photograph. Suppose. So, for example, let us say that Prince, come on the stage. Then Neil, come on the stage. You are Neil only, no? Kunal, come on the stage. And Abhinav, come on the stage. And
Wait.
okay, Uday, come on the
Wait,
stage.
अच्छा लगा.
And I need 2 girls also. So Tanushri, come on the stage. And Anushi, come on the stage. Now, yesterday we understood that concept already, that there are 6 people. If I ask you in how many ways the photograph can be taken for all 6 people, what will be your answer? 6p6. We did that we started the chapter with 3 people's photograph, and we had seen that 6 ways 3p3. So with total 6 people, how many photographs can be taken? 6p6, 6 factors, 720 photographs can be taken with these 6 people. But now if I ask you a condition that the 2 girls should always come together in every photograph, that 720 photographs will include where you come in between. Will this also be one of the 720 photographs or not? This may not. Will this be one of the 720 or not? Please maintain silence. Will this be one of the 720 photographs? But here, Ruturaj, you want to come on the stage? But here are Tanushri and Arushi together? Now I want to know how many ways can I take the photograph? Not more than I want to know. Little bit there. It should come in the camera. How many ways the photograph can be taken so that these 2 girls always come together? Now, don't stress your mind, I'll explain you. Now, what I will have to do is, if I want them to remain together, then I will have to tie them with the string.
अब आगे सरेगी है.
नहीं sir. Yes, what I will have to do is I will have to tie them with a rope, string. String cannot hold them, you mean to say?
Live for side.
So suppose I tie them with a string now. Now You wanted to come on the stage? No. Your string is not opening on me. Now, just for example, okay, just for example, you want it from here. Suppose I tie them with a string. Now, will both of them always remain together or not? Now understand this, everyone. Understand this. You come here. Little bit here. Please make some space in between. Now here, tell me first of all, how many people I have to arrange? 5. For example, they should remain together. Both go here. You come this side. String should be there. String should be there. Let me type it. Now, are they both together or not? But I arrange how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You come this side, you come this side. Both are moving together. So now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You come this side. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You come this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me, how many people I have to arrange if they should remain together? 5 people or 6 people? Because 2 become 1. Understood this? Now tell me, you please interchange your positions in the string. Is this also possible or not? Yes. Still the girls will be together? Yes. Now within the string, how will you do it? Now still the girls are together means inside the string. Again I can arrange the 2 girls in how many ways? 2 ways. Inside the string again I can arrange the 2 girls in how many ways? 2 ways. So how many ways can I do the arrangement? First of all, 5 people can be arranged in 5 people, 5 ways. 5 people in 5 places, and inside the string 2 girls in 2 ways. 2 ways are possible. Tanushri, Arushri, Tanushri. 2 ways are possible. 2 girls inside the string 2 places. 2 ways. Once again, actually there are how many people? 6. But if 2 have to remain together, then they become 5. So 5 people have to arrange in how many places? 5 ways, 5 places. And inside the string 2 people can be arranged in 2 ways. And means multiplication. So how many ways are possible? 5 into 2. Please take your seats. Did you understand this portion, everyone? Now in the same manner, if I ask you, listen carefully, 4 boys, 2 girls. I interchange my question. Now raise your hand. I want that 4 boys should remain together. How can you do it? Raise your hand. 4 boys should remain together, then how can it be done? Silence everyone, please don't talk in between. Panel? 4P? How do you get 4P1? No, that's wrong. Sit down. Raise your hand directly, don't answer it. Khushi? Yes. Why 3P3? Yes. 4 boys tie with a string. They all become 1. Now 1, 2, 3. You have to arrange how many people? 3 people. 3 people in 3 places. 3p, 3. What else is possible? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. That is, inside the string 4 boys can again be arranged in 4p, 4 ways. Did you understand this portion, everyone? Any doubts in it? Now suppose, last variety. Now suppose there are 3 Mercedes cars and 3
Jaguar.
Audi cars. Now tell me, I want that. I want that. Now I want that the cars should come alternately. Alternately means what? M-A-M-A-M-A. Mama. Alternately means silence. Either it should be M-A-M-A-M-A, Maruti Audi, sorry. Mercedes Audi, Mercedes Audi, Mercedes Audi, what? Audi Mercedes, Audi Mercedes, Audi Mercedes. Now here, 3 Maruti cars. M cars. 3 M cars can be arranged. Be attentive here. 3 M cars can be arranged in 3 places in how many ways? 3p3. 3 Audi cars can be arranged in 3 places in how many ways? 3p3. And total 2 alternatives are possible. Here also it's same 3 and 3. So total how many alternatives are possible? What is this 3p3 for? Mercedes. What is this 3p3 for? What is this 2 for? 2 alternatives. So 3 factorial, 6 into 6, 36 into 2, 72. Total 72 different ways you can pass the cars. Now, is everyone of you clear with all these points what I have discussed? So, practically speaking, the permutations topic is over. Now we just have to see the presentation and we solve the questions. All the major variety things which are possible we have done. Okay, so tomorrow we'll take up with the practical questions and we'll see how to present the. All okay with this? And I'll see how many of you remember it because you are going to explain.